Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change icon pack in your phone Nothing Phone 1. First, go to the settings. Go to the settings of your phone here and click on customization and click on icon pack. And this is default icon pack. This is a nothing icon. If you want to add more icon, then you can click on add, click on this plus symbol, and you can install some other icon pack. So here I would like to install Delta and click on install, and it will be downloaded and installed. Just wait. I will show how it works. Yes, it's installing, and I go back. Then I would like to install viral icon pack. Click on install. It's installing. Just wait few seconds. After installing, go to the same settings and then you can select the downloaded icon. So icon pack can be customized with a different icon that can be downloaded from Google Play Store. Just wait, it's still loading, installing, and I go back and just go to the same settings again. Go to settings and click on customization and click on icon pack, and you will see the downloaded and installed icon pack here. So if I select Delta, this is Delta icon pack. You can see the preview here. This is original and this is Delta, and see here this is viral, and yes, it is activated now. You can see the changes in the icon. So in this way you can easily set a different icon pack in your phone Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.